Hello boys and girls, ladies and gents. What I'd done the last time was I'd done a video. I was about to start a knife, which was this. As you can see, the shape is of a Karambit, which is an African knife. I'm going to use this, which is a bone from a leg of lamb. It's quite a good thingy for the Karambit, but we'll go there. We'll see. And it came from an old Sawblade. I lost the original footage, so I'm going to pick up from here. As you can see, I've cut most of the shape, kept the tang, and I'll get this ground off as best I can with the bench grinder. I've done the rest of it with the grinder, the angle grinder. That was one to come in too much, so we'll take it down from there and see how it works. I lost quite a bit of footage with a couple of videos I was working on, but as I say, Stercus, I said it, shit happens. That's Latin, by the way. See, every day is a school day. So folks, I ground away the excess of that. As you can see, we're getting the shape starting to come along. And as I say, that will go in like so. And it's ideal for the way the Karambit is meant to be held. So I'll go ahead and I'll take this edge off. We'll try and get it sharpened up, and we'll see about sinking it into the bone. I've left a bit of a tang. As you probably noticed, it was longer, the tang, but it was jamming on the bone, so I had to shorten it. But I'm sure we'll come to some sort of arrangement. So join me soon. So what I've done is I've put in this nice wee skull splitter and put a bit of resin in, and now we're going to fix the blade. So we'll mix up some epoxy here, like so. And we'll drop that in there. So and we wanted it like so, I think we agreed on. So join me soon and we'll let that set, and once it sets we'll fill the what do you call it, the aperture, whatever, don't know, cavity. So, and we'll get it sharpened up again. So join me soon. So folks, here we go. That's it all finito. Say you've got the skull splitter there, well hardened in. Fill the rest of the cavity in, resin. As you can see, there's a slight edge on it. I'll need to give it a better edge. But for all intents and purposes, we have a Karambit. Not going to be used for bushcrafting or chopping up food in the kitchen, steaks, sirloins and chops and the like, but ideal for maybe some street fighting, which I think it was designed for. So anyway, let's test it. Ready? Looks good to me. Cherry bye.